Okay, hello everyone. My name is Nikita, and today I am going to give a demo on one of the most trending topic in tech industries. Topic Today my topic is the impact of AI on software development and guide to Spring Boot. In this session, I will explore how AI is changing the way software is created and how Spring Boot is helping developers build web applications faster and smarter. Today, main focus on these topics. Understand what is AI, see how AI is changing software jobs. Today, we will discuss these subtopics. Understand what is AI and see how AI is changing software jobs. Learn about real tools, GitHub, Copilot, and Cursor AI. Fourth is understand Spring and Spring Boot. And last is see how Java apps are built in industries. Now we discuss what is AI. Uh, as we know, AI is stand for artificial intelligence. It allows machine or software to do things that normally need human intelligence. Think, learn, and solve the problem. Examples like Google Map. Google Map is helping us to find the best way. Uh, ChatGPT. ChatGPT provides us answers to our all questions, and YouTube, YouTube was showing recommended videos. Face ID, Face ID is using for mostly in unlocking our mobile. Now we discuss AI in software development. AI is AI in software development. Okay, software development. AI tools are being used in almost every stage of software development. Stages like writing code, debugging, testing, code reviews, learning. Now discuss writing code. AI suggests full code lines as we type. Debugging AI finds errors and helps to fix them. And testing AI writes unit test cases. Code reviews AI suggested improvement. And learning AI explains code to beginners. In real world impact of AI in real world. Like a team of five developers can now do what 10 used to do. Features that took 1 week can be done in 1 day. Less time, better quality, saves company cost. Like when we use AI help in many fields like writing code, debugging, testing, code reviews, learning. And now question is, will AI take jobs? Yes, but only basic jobs like for beginners. AI is not a threat if we learning logical thinking, practice real world coding, use AI as an assistant, not as a replacement. Those who use AI smartly will grow 100x faster. 100x faster. Companies now want smart developers who can work with AI tools. Now, yes, AI is important for development, smart development. Now we discuss real AI tools in development. Real AI tools in development. I explore some popular AI tools used by developers. GitHub Copilot, it is built by GitHub and OpenAI. It suggested complete function or code blocks. We can use in our VS, IntelliJ, and more. Like when we write our code, it will suggest our proper code. With the help of learn faster, write code quickly, focus on logic instead of syntax. And second is Cursor AI. It is chat-based ID. We type our program in simple English. Cursor AI will generate full Java Spring Boot application. Like example, we type create a Spring Boot app using Java 17 and Maven, and add an API that adds multiple two numbers, etc. Uh, then it will provide us a result We get a full working Spring Boot project with an endpoint like HTTP, localhost, even a entry uh, level person can build working APIs using Copilot AI. Uh, sorry, like with the help of Cursor AI. Now we discuss what is Spring Framework. Uh, we are not using only Java because in core Java we can write logics but cannot connect to front end easily. We cannot expose our code as API directly. That's where Spring Boot comes. Uh, Spring Boot framework, a Java framework that helps in building full web application, used to build REST APIs, web applications, and easily connected with the database. Spring MVC architecture. Architecture. Like MVC stand for model, view, and controller. Model means logic and database layer. Database layer. View means uh, front end layer like HTML UI, and controller is handles the request and response. Benefit of Spring Framework: clean and structured code. We can reuse our components, make Java suitable for web application. Now we discuss what is Spring Boot. Spring Boot is an upgrade to Spring Framework. It simplifies the setup process, like some features of Spring Boot. In Spring Boot Framework, we don't need to install separate server to test our API, like built-in Tomcat server. Tomcat server. We don't need to write long configuration files. Auto configuration is available in Spring Boot. Faster set startups of projects. Easy, we can easily create REST APIs. There are common annotations like at the rate Spring Boot application, Spring Boot application, REST controller, REST controller and get mapping, post mapping. REST controller is used in controller class. We will discuss in next demo. And get mapping and post mapping. Get mapping is used for get data from URL, means get data from client. And post mapping is we can get our data. Like this is query type, and post mapping is we can up, add our data in database with the help of post mapping. Tools used in we use multiple tools in Spring Boot like Maven, Git, Postman, MySQL, AWS. Maven is used for project build and dependency tools. Git is used for version control, track code changes. Postman is used for testing APIs, and MySQL is a database. A AWS is deploying on cloud. We can deploy our code in cloud. In real companies, Spring Boot is used for making banking system, online shopping carts, payment gateways, booking systems. Okay, now we discuss the summary of this demo. AI is changing how software is built. Tools like GitHub, Copilot, and Cursor AI save our time and boost quality of our project, our system. Spring helps, Spring helps Java apps become web ready. Spring Boot simplifies backend app development. Now we now Thank you so much for your attention. I hope this session gave you useful insights into how AI is shaping software development and how Spring Boot plays a role in building modern applications. Thank you.